Assalamu alaikum guys. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Tutor. Today we are going to talk about an interesting topic that we call as earthquakes. Earthquakes constitute one of the worst natural hazards which often turn into disasters, causing widespread destruction and loss to human life. The effects of the earthquakes are very devastating depending upon the magnitude and intensity of the earthquakes. Now, let us see what is an earthquake. Earthquake is actually an intense shaking of the earth's surface. This shaking is caused by movements in the earth's crust. As you can see here, these are the layers of the earth and this is the crust, the topmost layer of the earth. Let's now study about some of the terms that are related to earthquakes. And number first is focus. Focus is also called as hypocenter of an earthquake and is the point within the earth where an earthquake rupture starts, as you can see here. Number second is the epicenter. Epicenter is the point on the earth's surface that is directly above the focus. As you can see here, if this is the focus, and above the focus there lies the epicenter of the earthquake. Let's now study about some of the causes of the earthquakes. The primary causes of earthquakes are the faults on the earth's crust. Now, what actually is a fault? A fault is a break or rupture between two blocks of rocks in response to stress. Here you can see a major fault known as San Andreas Fault, which is located in San Andreas, California. Some major causes of earthquakes on the basis of its causes are surface causes, volcanic causes, tectonic causes. So first of all, we will talk about the surface causes. Surface causes of earthquakes include great explosions, landslides, slips on steep coasts, dashing of sea waves, avalanches, railway trains, heavy trucks. Some large engineering projects cause minor tremors. Some of them are man-made and others may be natural. Number second cause is the volcanic cause. It includes the volcanic eruptions. So volcanic eruptions produce earthquakes. Earthquakes may precede, accompany and frequently follow volcanic eruptions. They are caused by sudden displacements of lava within or beneath the earth's crust. Number third cause is the tectonic cause. Structural disturbances resulting in the parts of lithosphere is the main cause of this type of earthquakes. Most of the disastrous earthquakes belong to this category and occur in areas of great faults and fractures. The accumulating stress causes displacements especially along old fault zones known as great transform faults. Now we will talk about the strength of earthquakes. The intensity and strength of earthquakes is measured on Richter scale. The scale was invented by Charles Richter of California, USA in 1935. Scientists measure the strength of earthquakes using machines called seismographs. Now we have another term that we call as seismology. Seismology is actually the scientific study of earthquakes and the propagation of elastic waves through the earth. Here you can see the magnitude of Richter scale and the earthquake effects. So if you see from magnitude 0 to 2, this magnitude of earthquake is not felt by the people at all. And from the magnitude 2 to 6, these are not much more severe, however can cause destruction sometimes. And from 6 to 8 or higher causes total destruction of buildings, bridges and roads. Now effects of earthquakes. So here are some of the effects. Number first is the loss of life and property. Number second is damage to transport. system, that is roads, railways, highways, airports, marine, etc. Number third is chances of floods, which is caused due to developing of cracks in dams. Number third is chances of fire due to the short circuits. Number 5 is damage to communication systems such as telephone wires and towers are destroyed. Number 6 is economic activities like agriculture, industries, trade and transport. These all are severely affected. So earthquakes also trigger landslides, fires, tsunamis and floods which cause huge destruction to both life and property. So thanks for watching this video. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.